Hi, Christina here with Kaizink with a quick improvement. So what we've been doing is every time we get this now hiring job for Popeyes, we impose it every time. Basically, it's always the same size, different art sometimes, but that won't matter if we just bring in the correct file and then we grab this template here, and that reduces a lot of motion and transportation. So I decided to take it one step further. So if we grab our file here, we won't even have to impose. So I apply this workflow, and you can see that it has already selected our paper size. Let's get a preview real quick. It has our bleeds and our gutters, and it is all set to print. So no more imposing. Thank you.